Hey guys, welcome back to our channel Nomadic Beach Bums. Since a few weeks we've been putting a lot of videos regarding house shopping and house decor and house setting up stuff. So we thought that we would like to give you guys a little update about our lives. So Sam here has moved into a new house. This is the house. This is a little bit of the house that you can see. And so in this video we're going to show a lot of tidbits from our shopping sessions at IKEA, a lot of online shopping from Temu, a lot of decor stuff, a lot of DIYs. We are excited to show you. We hope you enjoy it.
Doing today? Huh?
So we have
After a week.
Yeah, it's the maintenance day today. We have the carpenter coming in, we have the electrician coming in. And look at the mess of the house again.
Yeah, everything is out there,
Everything is out.
ready to be put up. We are still figuring out the curtain rods that is over here. It's a weird system that they have made. So the house is still not yet finished, and we are still yet to do some stuff, some drilling and other stuff to make the house complete. You can see a mess here. Everything is out here, and we still got a light to be put up over there, and there's something happening behind the door, some hangers and hooks. Yeah, so once this is all complete, we're gonna show you the whole house. Hopefully by this weekend it should be completed.
क्या बोल
Video on hai.
क्या बोलना होता है
We have come down to IKEA to do all the furniture shopping and see what all we can get. She's very excited to get the furniture and
It's
do the
not like
shopping.
the
and-
whole furniture because our apartment
One or
is
two items.
already furnished apartment.
Yeah.
But then yeah, of course, like there are like tidbits that we want, and we want like a few things like a shelf, like a bar table. That's my requirement. He was very happy about it, by the way.
Yeah.
Then I was the one who initiated a
The bar
table in the house.
I know.
But yes, so we are here to look for those things, and let's see how it goes.
So she is trying to make this as a bar table, probably. But we have an option, and one of the other lights is this, the bulb light. So it's 158, and this whole stand is 145. Reasonable?
Yeah, this is very nice for 145. This is actually for 145.
Yeah. Now we're gonna try look more options and see if we get better option than this.
ये 20 dirhams की है.
Shivan, this really cool lamp which you can control the light. It's like your old lamp.
Yes.
What do you call these? Lamps.
Oil lamps बोलते थे पहले वो oil.
Really cool bedside table, huh?
But this is, see, this is the size.
Yeah.
So ये together है, ये set है.
This size is perfect.
This is 14 inches.
See? Nice. Big, no? That's what she said. You know the area that we have? Side table. It's good, easy light. First item in it. What is it? A small plug. We're taking these chairs for the balcony, small ones. You like them?
Yeah, we can see. We can keep this as an option.
Yeah.
Look for bean bags first.
See?
Bean bags will be the priority.
Bean bags are always the priority.
Yeah, that's because you want it.
And final thing, we got one dinner set, which is of 29 dirhams, the golden dinner set. This is our one option, and then she's happy, at least she's doing some shopping from IKEA. She's not going empty-handed.
Yes.
Yeah. You want that in your bathroom
No.
for hanging towel and stuff?
No.
This is for spoon and fork only, no?
But this is
What is it for?
drainage नहीं है.
What are these holes for?
नीचे है ही नहीं.
So what is this for?
Just to keep like some salt, pepper type जो ऊपर नहीं है. बिकॉज इसमें ड्रेनेज नहीं है, फिर सारा पानी कलेक्ट हो जाएगा. ये इतना
Cutting board.
chopping board.
No, cutting board. Whichever, that one also is fine.
We'll take
Bigger one. The bigger the better.
क्या
नहीं.
तो कैसे मैं उसको उल्टा करूँ?
She wanna buy these glass hangers for the bar. We haven't decided the bar table yet, but she's got the hanging stuff already.
That because I
Yeah.
want the glasses to be displayed like
Yeah.
that.
Little weird shit that they have IKEA. I'll show you. So you take the box which is separate priced, and then there is a lid also that you take it separately. I mean, who buys a box without a lid? Tell me.
No, but yeah, IKEA has
I don't know what you are up to.
concept.
The concept is so weird. I know you guys are following the iPhone Apple strategy of giving the charger separate and the wire separate. Yeah, this will not work for you.
We thought that this is one thing, but
Yeah.
this is not. This is two separate things. It is. Yeah, whatever. What do I say?
Strange.
Which are these?
Okay.
See.
What is this cup hanger?
Sorry. So we can take these hooks
Mm-hmm.
and we can like hang.
We're trying to discuss if this is good for our balcony or not. There's this mushroom table, mushroom seat, and these small coffee table kind of a setup in the balcony.
Not actually a coffee table.
This can be made,
Kids' room,
whatever it may be.
furniture.
At least be creative, you know. You should be unique.
We are using it.
This small table is so cute. You can just sit here and talk to each other.
Yeah.
Sunset behind or sunrise behind. This idea, please tell us. Very cool, no? This is a very small, cute table. We can even have dinner and do different dates. You can put candles here. You know, the concept is amazing. And any which is balconies will have this green grass. You get finally.
We have some fruit, some muesli, and some sprinkles.
Yeah, healthy and fried stuff together.
Healthy and unhealthy together. A little bit of balance of both.
Yeah,
Okay.
everything.
On to the unhealthy stuff.
Everything needs to be covered. Right.
What are you doing?
Eating dinner at IKEA.
Dinner?
Yeah.
Okay. How is it? And you're having muesli in dinner. Healthy,
I'm a healthy person.
healthy stuff.
Yes.
Good. How are you feeling
I'm good.
after a whole day of shopping in IKEA and Pan Emirates and then day to day?
Yeah, we did all of it together.
How is it?
Tiring, very tiring.